Maintain the ascent rate, watch the starboard side.
Copy that. The strain looks stable.
Okay, the contours match here, but look at this anomaly near the shoal. That wasn't on the wartime maps.
Diagnostics are nominal on the AUV.
Tether coiled and secure. Ready for deployment confirmation.
Mission data streams in as the robotic arm scans the massive, corroded structure, revealing the slow decay of the deep sea.
As the analysis shows, these stress points indicate imminent collapse.
This structural fatigue here at the keel is critical. We need to reinforce this section first.
Noted. I'll update the recovery sequence model immediately.
If we zoom in here, we can secure the main support structure.
The challenge isn't just the depth, it's the sheer scale of the vessel.
The powerful lights of the ROV cut through the darkness, slowly revealing the immense hull. Decades after sinking, the carrier's superstructure is completely overtaken by a vibrant ecosystem, illuminated here by the ROV's spotlights.
The structural integrity here seems stable, but the thermal imaging shows a spike.
Exactly. We need to focus our efforts on this quadrant for the next.
We begin by tracing the main grid lines across the hull schematic, then move to the highlighted priority zones for immediate stabilization.
Taking a level 2 sample at the hull breach, the coral growth rate here exceeds projections by nearly 40%. Logging the data now.
The thermal spike correlates exactly with the structural anomaly on the schematic.
Acknowledged. Adjusting ballast for closer inspection.
The ROV is maneuvering closer now. Right there, that spike indicates a large structural component near the flight deck.
Here we see the robotic arm carefully deploying the cylindrical sensor onto the sandy substrate, taking it.
Decades underwater have taken their toll, but this new steel grid represents the first step in a monumental salvage operation.
bring it down easy on the starboard side.
Copy that. Watching the tension on line 3.
We're clear on the aft deck. Keep it moving.
We need the primary attachment right here on the keel segment.
Acknowledged. Adjusting inflation sequence for stabilization now.
Here we see the real-time stress mapping during the ascent. The green segments confirm the structural integrity is holding precisely as calculated.
The stress analysis on the starboard side is fluctuating rapidly right here.
I see that. The fluid dynamics are showing unexpected turbulence around the breach. We need to adjust the ballast immediately.
All right, give it another half turn on that starboard brace. Roger that. Applying torque now. Check the readout.
The control panel still holds from the wreckage. We believe this faded stencil
The final stage involves meticulously removing the microscopic salt residues, ensuring the metal's long-term stability. We're cross-referencing the degraded sections with the original schematics to ensure structural integrity.
Look at these numbers.
It's incredible they preserved them.
What does this symbol mean here?
The engineering required for this was revolutionary.
And this explains the role it played in 44.
This educational timeline provides context to the carrier's long history, utilizing detailed artifacts and archival photographs.
Look how small these lockers are.
It's hard to imagine living like this for months.
This massive section of the hull, weighing over 500 tons, bears the authentic scars of battle.
Look how far they traveled on this route.
That must have taken months back then. Wow, look at the little ship icon.
A testament to the resilience of the greatest generation. This plate survived a direct hit.
Look at the size of these rivets. The engineering was incredible.
Truly, the display says they built this section in under a month.
And the living quarters were right below here?
Clear. Confirmed. How about this rivet line? Reading within tolerance.
Standing before this titan of the sea, one truly understands the sheer scale of
Look at how close the planes are.
It's incredible to think they lived and worked in this space.
This specific section of the hull, right here where the student is pointing,
shows the impact of the 1945 engagement.
The displacement readings here are inconsistent.
Check the distortion around this rivet point.
The laser scan confirms microfracturing near the weld.
From the intricate detail of the hull plate to the monumental scale of the exhibition space, the craftsmanship is evident.
This colossal vessel, once a titan of the Pacific, now rests as a